So this is the one I received from you. It's got a relay port, but no sensor port. This is the previous device I bought with the relay port and the sensor port. So I need the ones with sensor port so it can detect if the door is opened without being activated by the Wi-Fi switch. Where you can see the differences between these two. That one doesn't have this IC and that one does, which means this one can do the sensing as per the description you had on the internet for this one. So that's about all I can show you, is I need the sensor port on the device that I bought as per the description.